The greatest characteristic of man is that he knows and understands. But to know and to understand, these two are not the same. Where science teaches us how to know the world, wisdom teaches us how to live. As it is said, science is organized knowledge, and wisdom is organized life. This sentence is not merely a play on words, but narrates the entire story of human development, from knowledge to action, and from action to life. 1. Science is organized knowledge. Science is a logical and systematic way of understanding the world. It explains how and why things happen. The foundation of science is curiosity, experiment, and evidence. A scientist collects facts, tests them through experiments, and then establishes rules, laws. Science answers the what and how. Example: science tells us that sunlight gives energy to plants, or that gravity pulls objects downwards. This knowledge is powerful. It can build bridges, prepare medicines, or even create weapons. Therefore, science itself is neutral. Its use depends on the thought and purpose of man. 2. Wisdom is organized life. Where science is the art of knowing, wisdom is the art of living. Wisdom teaches us when, how, and why to use knowledge. It makes us ethical, balanced, and far-sighted. Science organizes the external world, while wisdom organizes our inner world. Example: you know that driving fast saves time. This is scientific knowledge. But you also understand that doing so on a rainy day or a crowded path is dangerous. This is wisdom. Only the one who possesses discretion with knowledge can make this decision. Story: the two farmers, Gyanchand and Samjdaram. Two farmers lived in a village. Gyanchand, Mr. Knowledge, and Samjdaram, Mr. Understanding. Both were hardworking, but their ways of thinking and living were different. Gyanchand, symbol of science. Gyanchand had read every book related to farming. He had complete knowledge of soil pH, the chemical composition of fertilizers, and new seed technology. He used powerful chemical fertilizers in his field, and his crops flourished greatly in the first few years. He was proud of his knowledge. Samjdaram, symbol of wisdom. Samjdaram also learned from science, but he possessed experience, restraint, and foresight. He knew that farming only for immediate profit was not wise. He adopted cow dung manure, crop rotation, and natural methods. He shared seeds and crops with his neighbors so that every person in the village would be prosperous. Result: in a few years, Gyanchand's soil became barren. The water got polluted and crops began to diminish, whereas Samjdaram's soil remained fertile. His village remained healthy, and relationships were strengthened. One had organized knowledge, the other had organized life. Conclusion: Gyanchand understood science, but Samjdaram understood life. Science taught us to fly, but wisdom tells us where and why to fly. Knowledge gives us power, but wisdom tells us how to use that power for humanity and balance. Science gives us light. Wisdom gives us direction.